This is Nurgle's gifts to the mortal realms. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how I painted this entire army, start to finish. So let's get into it. What's up guys, welcome back to Avanor Hobbies. Today we're cracking into the Nurgle half of the Darkwater box set. A full build paint job. And I'll show you the exact recipes I used to get this grim, sickly, very vibrant color scheme. So let's get started. Box set are extremely detailed and insane. Lots of textures to work with, which is going to help with a ton when we get into painting. There's Vallejo black primer for this. The armor. First I'm going to base coat all the armor with Vallejo burnt umber. Then my highlight stage is going to be a 50-50 mix of burnt umber and livery green. Then I'll just keep adding more livery green until I hit the pure color. My final highlight will be with an airbrushed 50-50 livery green and ice yellow. Then I will glaze it back down with a heavily thin livery green through the airbrush to tie it all together. The skin. The skin starts with a base coat of burnt umber and then highlighted with 50-50 burnt umber and warlord purple. From there I'm going to start adding a little bit of sunny skin tone to the mix for the highlights. For the mortals, that is where I'm going to leave it, the pure sunny skin tone highlights. But for the demon skin, I'm going to be glazing it back down with a thin warlord purple to give it that sickly, otherworldly look. The weapons. The weapons are going to be based with a 50-50 mix of burnt umber and orange fire. Then I'm going to start highlighting it back up with orange and then fluoro orange for that molten glow. Just remember the fluoro color is quite transparent, so it will take several coats to get a good opacity. For the wood, bone and dirt, again burnt umber, base coat, and then gradually highlighted with more ice yellow. All the mutations and pus boils on all miniatures are going to be painted using light turquoise. Once all the base colors and highlights are down, the whole model gets an enamel wash of panel line dark brown. Work it into each and every recess. I clean back with mineral spirits, wiping down the panels so that the wash only sits where I want it. Same goes for cleaning your brushes afterward. Once that is fully dry, I go back and re-establish all my highlights. The armor gets 50-50 livery green ice yellow edge highlights, the mortal skin gets sunny skin tone to highlights, and the demon skin a 50-50 warlord purple and sunny skin tone highlight. The weapons gets punched back up with pure fluoro orange, and the mutated or diseased areas get picked out with light turquoise. That is what really sells the corruption. And there it is, the full Nurgle half of the Darkwater box, completely built and painted. Rotting armor, diseased skin, glowing weapons, and a base built from scratch. This is what makes this army stand out on the table. If you want the full paint recipe written out, or you're building this box yourself, drop a comment, and I'll help you however I can. Hit subscribe if you're new here. I've got the rest of the Darkwater box coming soon, plus more army showcases on the way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.